Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to finally have a YouTube channel. I feel like so many people ask me if I have one for longer form content and how-tos and things like that, and I just feel really excited to finally be bringing that to you guys. You know, some of you may know me, some of you may not know me. You might recognize the house from Instagram or TikTok. Jason and I have been working on this house for, it'll be 5 years in May. So we are in the home stretch. We just have one bathroom left and then a couple little things that are just fun things that we want to do to the house. But really this house was super bare bones. It was like a builder grade 1989 home, very beige inside, wall to wall carpeting that we kind of really made our own with some beautiful, distinct and unique accents, like this oven hood that you see here that we made out of these like little sticks of wood. I'm gonna tell you how Jason and I met, which is such a cute story and I love telling it, but I'm gonna give you like the Cliff Notes version. I'm not gonna give you the whole scoop. Maybe another time. So we met in 2018, at the end of 2018. I was living in New York City at the time. I've lived in New York City. I lived in New York City for 10 years before moving to Nashville in 2020. So I met him a couple days before New Year's. He was on a date with another girl, but we didn't talk after that for 6 months because I thought he was dating another girl. But basically what happened was we went to this bar in town, my friend and I, Alexandra, my best friend. We went to this bar, we went to have a little glass of wine, and there was only the bartender there and us two. And so we were talking to her and she had moved from Brooklyn to Nashville, and I was like so interested to talk to her because I was interested in moving to Nashville. And I was like, tell me all about it, blah, blah, blah. And then, so we were all chatting and then like he walks in and I was like, oh my God, this is the most handsome man I've ever seen. And then she was like, hey, Jason. And I was like, okay, so they're dating. So we all talked and we all like exchanged Instagrams. That's how we stayed in touch. And we didn't really start, and that was New Year's, obviously 2018. And we didn't really talk until the following summer. And babe,
Sorry.
You can't hear me right now.
I can stay outside.
You're making me feel self-conscious. I feel my cheeks getting warm.
I'll just stay outside, I guess.
Okay. But like, go to the shed so you can't hear what I'm saying.
Huh?
Go to the shed.
Huh?
Go to the shed.
I ain't going to the shed.
Okay. I forgot where I was because he walked in as I was telling the story of how we met. Okay, so we didn't hang out for like 6 months later. And then it was kind of like, you know, he was coming to New York, I was going to Nashville, and then the pandemic happened, and I moved full-time to Nashville, and my Brooklyn apartment lease was over in August of 2020. So I moved into a studio apartment with my kitty cat, and I was there for a year before I bought this house, and then he moved in a year later. So we have been renovating it since 2021, and yeah, we've done so much to it. There's literally not one piece of like wall or floor or closet or whatever that we haven't touched or that we don't plan on touching, whatever, you know what I mean? The entire house will be like not recognizable from what it was before to what it is now. So it's been pretty exciting. I mean, this is my first like foray into something like this. Jason has been a professional, you know, carpenter in town for like 12 years now. So really he is like such a wealth of knowledge and he knows how to do everything. And if he doesn't know how to do anything, he looks it up. Now let's like walk through all the spaces and tell you about all of them. Okay, so first up is the kitchen, and we basically gutted this space. It had wing walls in here and just like really old kind of like bulky cabinets. We love the open shelving because we have so many vintage pieces that we like to display. and the little roundovers on the side feel really kind of just like warm and inviting. We have a skylight in this room. This is one of 3 skylights we have in the house right now with our hanging plants. We also made the oven hood from all of these different milled down pieces of wood that Jason and I milled down in the backyard, and we put it together. It was his design and it came out really beautiful. And then across from the kitchen, we have the laundry room. So the laundry room was like super utilitarian before this. It was pretty much unfinished, and we ended up putting cedar wood up all in the laundry room with shelving and tiled the floor. And then we put these beautiful arched doors with these kind of porthole style windows on the outside. Then for the living room, we opened and arched the entryway between the kitchen and the living room. We opted to not do an open floor plan. We wanted it to feel like the living room was a separate room than the kitchen. We have the most comfortable couch in this room. I will link it for you below. We have all of Jason's musical instruments. He plays so much, and it's honestly so magical just hearing the sound of music come through the house all the time. And then he built the console. So he built this beautiful console for our TV and our records. You know, listening to records is something that we love to do by ourselves and also with our friends and family. And then we have the bathroom, which I just finished lime washing a couple of weeks ago. Everybody loves it when I do all the painting techniques in the house. But this bathroom came out so great. I love the espresso lime wash in here, and it just really feels very layered and very storied and very cozy. I just love how this bathroom came out. So across from the bathroom is the office, and this is one of 3 guest rooms that we have in the house. And we did a wraparound desk in a beautiful mahogany wood. We did a closet detail with this kind of like wavy border. We love this room. I spend so much time in this room, obviously, because it's my main office. And then next to the office, we have our guest room. So our guest room kind of just came together this past fall. We did a whole wall of built-in cabinetry with this beautiful mahogany detail. We got vintage furniture from House of Yore, which is an amazing vintage store in town. I will link them below too. I just love shopping for those one-of-a-kind vintage pieces, and they were so nice to gift that to us. I have a beautiful quilt in here from the Six Bells, another store that I absolutely love. And then for above the bed right now, we have this print, but I'm doing some paintings to put above the bed in here. So I have a little horse painting ready to go. You might have seen me share that on my stories on Instagram, but I gotta get a couple more together before this room really comes together. And then we have the main bedroom. So this is Jason and I's bedroom. We have beautiful bedding from the Citizenry. I can't say enough amazing things about that company. If you need bedding, definitely check them out. We love our bed too. Like, we have a Tempur-Pedic mattress topper, and I will not shut up about how amazing it is. Okay, anyway, so we lime washed this room, this beautiful kind of terracotta color, which I love. It kind of makes me feel like I'm in this like villa in Italy when I'm in our bedroom. And then we also did this beautiful floral border around our closet in that bedroom. And you will notice that there are no doors on any of the closets because we had those folding kind of white doors that you see in, you know, a lot of homes, and we just didn't like them. So we took them down, and we haven't replaced them yet, but it's on our list. And it's important to me because the cats keep climbing on my clothes and I can't have holes in my dresses. We also have a beautiful dresser from Lulu in Georgia. This dresser is, oh my gosh, to die for. I love this dresser. And that brings us to the last room of the house, which is the main bathroom, the primary bathroom. And this is not renovated yet. This is what it looked like when we moved in. We don't use this bathroom because the toilet is broken. This project may already be going when I post this YouTube video. And if not, it's probably gonna happen the following week because I am dying to do this bathroom. I have such an amazing idea for this bathroom, but we'll save that for another YouTube video. I'll walk you through my design for that bathroom. Okay, that is the end of the video. And I guess I should say like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Your support means everything to me, and I love chatting with everybody. So stay tuned for what's next. And thank you for being here with me.